Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. How are you doing? How are you doing? Actually, you're fine. You're fine. Everything they cool. Thank God. So guys, people, you came through for me and I'm very happy. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Wow, you people actually chop kiss. Oh, thank you for all those who subscribe, for all those who share my videos, for every one of you for the support, those who shared my videos on their various WhatsApp statuses, Facebook, everywhere, guys. You people, you have made me so happy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So to all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. You feel me? Just relax, chill, sip some tea and enjoy the ride. So let me address the elephant in the room. Obviously my channel name has changed from Linda Anderson to Beautifully MILAN. Yes, there are lots of Linda Andersons on YouTube, you get me, and we have to be unique. So I had to change it. MILAN is my full initials. As I said in my first video, my name was supposed to be Millicent Linda Anderson, so MILAN is the full initial of my name. So Millicent Linda Anderson, MILAN, Beautifully MILAN. You got it. Okay, for today's video I'll be talking about Treasury bill. I first heard of Treasury bill when I was in the university. My roommate told me she invested in Treasury bill when she got a huge sum of money some time back, and then it was very beneficial. She had a lot of interest return as of that time. I believe the percentage was very high, but as of then I was not interested in that. You know, me now, my money no dey swing me. My money is not enough for me, so I was not even thinking of saving or even bothering to probe further into it or find out more about it. So I completed university. I started with my service, and one of my service colleagues also mentioned that to me. He's one guy who is very interested in properly managing your finances and all of that, so he made mention of it to me, and then so that's the second time I heard of it, and I decided as of then to try it out and see how it goes. I went to a bank that I don't want to mention any name. I don't want any trouble. Not that they have done anything wrong, but I don't know whether it is appropriate to be mentioning names. So I went to one popular bank in Ghana to find out about the Treasury bill, and I was told that for that bank the starting amount is 1,000 Ghana cedis, and I was like, I mean, how much am I being paid for service? I have to take care of myself and all of that. I don't have 1,000 Ghana cedis anywhere to start up, so I forgot about it, and I was looking into other investment options, and that's when I found out about another bank's investment plan, which was a far better option that I would be comfortable with it. Yes, and it was such that you can deposit any little amount you want at any time at your own convenience. So that's what I went in for. But the only disadvantage of that type of investment was that the returns was very small. I was on that investment policy for about 3 years, and my return was so small compared to the amount I invested in, and seriously it was not worth it. So when I started working, I decided to now go into Treasury bill, because at that point in time I believe that I can afford it. Even if it is 1,000 Ghana cedis, I knew I could save up 2,000 Ghana cedis to start investing. So the government of Ghana offers 3 categories of fixed income investment securities to its customers and investors to fund its operations. And in Ghana, they are the Treasury bills, the Treasury bonds, and then the Treasury notes. For this video, I'll be talking about Treasury bills. I don't know much about Treasury bonds and Treasury notes, but Google is always available for research, so you can do your research if you feel you would want to learn more about such investments. For Treasury bill, it is a short-term investment policy that usually ranges from 91 days to 365 days, which is 3 months, 6 months, and then investing in Treasury bill would mean you lending money to the government of Ghana to fund its various projects. And then depending on the type of Treasury bill investments you choose to go in for, it means, say if you are choosing the 91 days, it means you are lending the government your money for 3 months for the government to use for a project, and then after the end of the 3 months you get your principal back plus your interest. The last time I checked, the rate was yesterday, and the rate as of then was 3.87. I'm not so sure, I don't really remember where. So if you want to be constantly abreast with the rate at a particular point, I advise that you save the Bank of Ghana website on your phone. That's what I've done. So every now and then I check the interest rates for the Treasury bill. When you do this, it will help you know when the interest rate has increased, and you can go to the bank and invest using that interest. So what happens is that if, say, today the interest rate for Treasury bill is 14%, and I go for a Treasury bill plan today, interest I'll be getting at the end of the day will be calculated with a 14% interest rate. Okay, so let's go to the website of the Bank of Ghana for me to show you exactly how the interest rates are recorded over a period of time for the various types of Treasury bills. Hello guys, as I mentioned earlier, I've saved the website of the Bank of Ghana on my phone. So every time I want to check the Treasury bill rate at any point, I just click on it like this, and then it will take me straight to the website, and then it will show me the current rate as at the time I am checking, or as at the week I am checking. So at the beginning of this week, the interest rate for the 182 bill was 14.02, and for the 91 day was 13.98, and then the 364 day was 16.91. So it is giving a projected interest rate for the upcoming week. So on the 20th of July, the interest rates for the 91-day bill will be 13.87. And then for the 6-year bond will be 19.5. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, the government provides 3 types of fixed income securities: the Treasury bill, the Treasury bond, and then the Treasury note. For this video, I am talking about the Treasury bill, so I am not going to focus on the bond. So for next week, the interest rate for the 182-day bill will be 14.05. So this is how you get to know the interest rate of Treasury bill at any point in time. Then if you want to, you would decide to go in for one. So this is how I keep track of the interest rate from the Bank of Ghana website. Okay, so with this knowledge, I decided to go to the bank to invest in a Treasury bill. I was going in for the 3-month plan. So at the time I was going in for, the interest rate was 13.98%. To me, I was thinking that I'm going to get 13.39% of the amount I was going to invest at the end of 3 months. I was so happy about it because when I did my calculations, by the end of the year I was going to get a huge sum of money. I went to the bank only to find out that no, it is not like that. It is not like that. And obviously if it was like that, everyone would have done it. It was so funny. The way I was so disappointed, I was very disappointed. So I'll be showing you how I thought the interest rate will be calculated against how it's actually calculated. Let's check it out. Okay, so before I went to the bank, I thought that, assuming I was going to invest 2,000 Ghana cedis, the interest rate as of that point was 13.98%, and so I thought I was going to get 13.98% of 2,000 Ghana cedis, which would have been 0.1398 times the 2,000 Ghana cedis, which would have been 279.6 Ghana cedis. So imagine getting this interest rate at the end of 3 months. So in my head, I was thinking that after I get the interest, I would reinvest for another 3 months, and so my income would be increasing in that manner. I went to the bank, and apparently that's not how it is calculated. This is how the interest rate is calculated. We have 12 months in a year, and so if you are going for the 91-day bill, which has say 13% interest rate, that interest rate applies for the whole year. So the 91-day bill would apply for 4 times in a year. So what that means is that the interest rate for the 91-day bill, which is 13%, will be divided by 4. So the value you get after you divide the 13% by 4 is what will apply to whichever income you are investing at the end of 3 months. This means is that 13% will be divided by 4. And so the interest rate at the end of the 91 bill will be 3.25%, and not 13% on that income you invested. Still using the 2,000 Ghana cedis. What this means is that at the end of 3 months, the interest you'll be getting will be 2,000 times 0.0325, which will be 65 cedis. So that will be your interest rate at the end of a 91 bill, and not 13%. Do you understand? Okay, that is it. I just wanted to educate my people who are now planning on going in for Treasury bills, who may have been confused as I was before I went to the bank. I hope this video was helpful. Guys, thank you once again for sharing my videos, for subscribing to my channel, for posting my content, and the new subscribers, you are very welcome. Okay, as I said at the beginning of the video, just relax and let's enjoy it. Okay, so bear in mind my content are not always going to be like this. Let me tell you what this channel is about. This channel is about lifestyle, storytelling, and beauty and singing here and there. I know some of you have been telling me to be singing in my videos. It will come. I'll be doing covers of songs sometime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. I know you are going to share. I'm really enjoying this, and I hope I get to make your time worthwhile. Okay, have a nice day. Take good care of yourselves.